Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Ford Expedition Platinum in white with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated rear seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7165A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.